Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, we are using the Sigma Corday Rosa palette. I do have a couple other videos with this palette on my channel, so if you want to check those out, I'll link them down below for you. And if you want to see how I got this pretty easy peachy orangey look, go ahead and keep on watching. This is such a gorgeous like peachy spring colored palette, so I'm excited to use this today. So whenever I'm doing like my 12 days of tutorials or I'm just doing multiple looks with the palette, I like to look at my previous looks and I pick out the shades that I haven't used yet. So I was watching a couple of my older videos with this palette and I'm going to link all those down below for you. But I noticed I haven't really used the shade Campfire a lot, same with this one, and a little bit of Corday Rosa. So I think I'm going to do something kind of neutrally today with those shades. So let's get started. So I'm starting with the shade Corday Rosa on a Sigma E25, and the shade's going to go in my crease. Picking up a little bit more of the shadow and I'm just building it up. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of this lighter shade Verdania and I'm going to use that to soften these harsh edges. Now I'm going to take the shade Campfire on a Sigma E54, and I'm actually going to wet my brush first with some setting spray. And I'm going to apply this shade on my entire lid. And then I'm going to go back to my blending brush and I'm just going to blend around that shimmer. Now I'm going to take more Corday Rosa on a Sigma E42, and I'm going to blend that along my entire lower lash line. And then taking a little bit of that lightest shade Verdania again, and just softening it out. Okay, so I think the look is super pretty like this, but I like to add a little more depth to my looks. So I'm going to take a little bit of Dark Night on the E54, and I'm going to add that to the very outer part of my lid. That didn't show up. Try more. Okay, so I am getting a little bit of fallout. And at first I didn't think that was showing up, but it actually is just a tiny bit. And that's kind of what I wanted, so I'm gonna keep that. And I'm also gonna add some Dark Night to the outer part of my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take Belle of the Ball on a Sigma L04, and we are highlighting. All right, now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. All right, here is the final look with my lashes on. For my lashes, I'm wearing my brand, the Bright Lashes, and I'm wearing our half lash style flare. Overall, I love how this look turned out. I kind of wish I didn't put that highlight under my brow because in some light it looks a little dark almost, like the undertone's kind of dark, but I can get past that. And I also feel like this is a pretty easy look that pretty much anyone can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.